Hi guys, my name is Mateen and today we're baking a cake and talking about the macromolecules in it. Let's start off by an ingredient rundown first. Let's start off with our first ingredient, the cake mix, also known as the carbohydrate. It consists of sugar, starch, and glucose. The function of a carbohydrate is a quick source of energy. The elements that consist of a carbohydrate are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Our last and final ingredient is eggs, which is a protein and it acts as a messenger for the cells. Its function is long-term energy, and the elements in it is nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, sulfur, and phosphorus. Now let's get on to the baking part. For our first step, we gotta combine the cake mix, water, oil, and eggs into a large bowl. Let's add the cake mix. Okay. Yeah. Now let's add the water. One cup of water. Let me get my spoon. Gotcha. Now let's add the oil. Mix. Bad news, guys. In the middle of recording this, my baking setup failed, and now there's an egg missing. So there's an egg missing in my room. We're gonna spend the next 2 minutes looking for it. Give me a minute, guys. What's up, guys? I found the egg. We're doing good. I also mixed in the cake with the oil and the water. So let's continue. Let's get back on the grind. All right, guys, we're back on the setup, and we're gonna slowly incorporate the eggs one by one. Let's first off, for the first egg, let's make it special and one-handed. I basically did it. First egg complete. I'd like to also say that during finding the egg, my phone died, so I couldn't get back to you guys. But yeah. Egg number 2. Egg number 2 has been incorporated into the mix. Yeah, feeling strong. The mix is coming out good. Yeah, let's get into the third egg, guys. The third and final egg done. Let's go get a baking tray and put it in. Alright, guys, let's pour it in. I feel like the setup's gonna fall again, but trust the process, am I right? Let's unload this thing. Alright, guys, that's the cake. Let's go put it in the oven. Yeah. Alright, guys, cake's in the oven now. Team Fortress is calling. It's opening up right now. But while that's happening, let's break down and talk about macromolecules in each ingredient in the cake and what they do. Hey guys, it's me, but from the future. Now that the cake's in the oven, we will talk and explain macromolecules, the giant molecules that make life possible. I'll explain using 10 concepts while incorporating our cake as an example. Number 1, macromolecules. Macromolecules are huge molecules made with smaller units. The 4 main macromolecules are carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. Number 2, monomers and polymers. Monomers and polymers are so much alike. A polymer is a huge bundle of monomers. Most macromolecules are polymers made from repeating monomers. Number 3, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, the cake mix which is made up of flour, sugar, and baking powder. Used in our cake is an example of carbohydrates. These provide energy and structure, just like carbs do for our body. Number 4, protein. The egg in our cake is an example of protein, as they are pretty rich in it. Protein is made up of amino acids and help hold the cake together, just like how they build and repair torn muscles. Number 5, lipids. The oils in the cake are an example of lipids. Those fat help make our cake moist and delicious. In the human body, the lipids store energy and make up cell membranes. Number 6, nucleic acids. While we didn't add them to the cake, all living things have nucleic acids, just like DNA, RNA, and RNA. Number 7, dehydration synthesis. When the cake was mixed with the other ingredients, water is sometimes released as new non-bonds forms. This process is called dehydration synthesis. Number 8, hydrolysis. When we eat the cake, our body breaks it down into smaller pieces using our saliva. This is called hydrolysis, the opposite of dehydration synthesis. Number 9, enzymes. The baking powder acts like an enzyme in baking, meaning they speed up reactions in our body. Enzymes help digest food and build new molecules. And lastly, number 10, structure and function. The structure and function of a macromolecule depends on how much its monomers are arranged. Just like the taste and texture of our cake depends on the recipe and mixing. The shape of a macromolecule determines what it can do. Hey guys, me from the future. Hope you guys like the information you learned, and let's get a blast from the past. In 3, 2, 1. Cat's out the bag, am I right? Cake's out the oven, looking good. Hope you guys like the gameplay and the information you guys learned. So we're gonna let it cool down, and we got a little special secret ingredient. Frosting. Lipid right here. Hey guys, welcome back. Cake's finally cooled down, and instead of getting worse, but we will make a very beautiful cake with our lipids, aka our chocolate fudge. Yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, I decided to cut a little bit of the top off, flatten it out, and now let's put on our secret ingredients. Praying it comes out well. That's it. That's the cake. Alright guys, cut myself a piece out. Looking good. Let's give it a taste test. It's very moist, and I kind of like that, but it's a little too moist if you get what I mean. But other than that, it's a pretty good cake. I'd say it's a 7 out of 10 in my opinion. And let's try the crust. Very spongy. Was not expecting that, but very spongy. Actually, I was kind of expecting that, but you know, I never really thought about it. Very good cake in my opinion, but yeah. I'd give this a 8 out of 10. You know, boosted a little score, but it's pretty good. Anyways, I'd like to conclude the video. I hope you guys learned something new, and hope you guys like my gameplay. Peace out. Happy Pride Month to you guys. You know. Peace out, guys. Have a good day. Yeah.